There it is. 1998 Pontiac Grand Am. First car, people. First car. Here are the keys. Yep, keychain and everything. Got it yesterday. Parents totally surprised me. Brothers knew about it too, of course. And there you can see it. Go around and unlock it. A few scratches, but nothing too major. Here she is. Let's see. It's the interior. Back seat that Tom's basically obsessed with. Yeah. Pretty cool. Only 130,776 miles on it. Not too shabby. Radio and cassette player, so really no CDs, but Mom's gonna grab me a iPod adapter. Just the automatic transmission, AC and heat works amazingly. There's the back seat again. Fun little view. And here is my official parking spot right out in front of the house. Gotta love that. Easy, don't have to back up from the driveway, just go around the cul-de-sac and off the road. Yeah. I say I've pretty much got it made. So this is it. My first car.